how to create a luxury goods and accessories e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. After that, you click on next, and then you proceed to type in your password. So it's loading, and after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, you click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of luxury goods and accessories. So I'm going to choose jewelry and accessories. And if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and you give them a sec to build your store. Then you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and in your right you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And then we have the design now button, and it's the same as the edit site button. And here in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website. And it's where we have the edit site button again, and also the domains, where you can set your new domain or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to categorize your products. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders. You can see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one also. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and you can set also your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where we have the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, the sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary, and that's it for this section. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want again to see the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings. If you want to change your company name, your email, your address, or your phone number, you can do all of that in here. As you can see, phone number, email, address, company name. And then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, or also you can change the country and the currency of your store if you want to. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your taxes settings. Then we have the units, where you can change the site's language, and also you can edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and we give it a few seconds to load. So here it will take from 15 seconds to 30 seconds, so it will not take that much, as you can see. And here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here we have the site styles. So basically we choose one of these styles and we check if it fits our template. Then we click on apply site styles. That will show right in here. So first let's wait for the template to be fully loaded. Then we will choose one of these styles and we check if it fits our store. So let's choose this one and let's click on hide styles and check if it fits our store. So I think that one is good. Let's click on apply site styles. Then we have the site design if you want to change the style again, and also if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, fonts, which I'm going to change from Poppins to Comforta, this one. Then I'm going to make this one 22 pixels. Then click on done. After that, I'm going to change the shape of the buttons to rounded. It's already in rounded, and for images also to rounded. Then click on done, and after that I will scroll down, and if you want to change these elements you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. And when you're done with the site design, just click on done. And if you want to search for a domain name, you can just type the domain name in here. If not, just close this one and then dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section or page, item or category. And here in this list you have your header if you want to change it, your main banner if you want to hide it or to show it. Also if you want to change it, just click on it. Then we have the featured items if you want to delete them, or if you want to duplicate it by the duplicate button. And if you want to move it down, as you can see right like this, or up, you can do that. And do the same again with this other one, which is the email newsletter. And also the footer, if you want to adjust it, you can just click on it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.